Hello everyone, you may remember a little while back before the Black Friday sales, Olight sent us this really cool head torch. Now they were really happy with what happened after that and they kind of love us, so they sent us another one. Now this torch here is their brand new release, which is the Perun. It's a new multi-purpose right angled head torch and we're going to unbox it with you right now and show you how it all works. In the box, straight off the bat, you've got the Perun torch. Comparing it to our existing H2R Nova, it's slightly bigger. It's got a slightly wider diameter. The lens is bigger, and it also has the sensor in the top, and you can just tell straight down there which one's slightly bigger as well. In the box, we've got a magnetic charger, much the same as before. The way this one's different is we've got a nice little lanyard and a little tool to help you thread your lanyard in as well. And this came on the torch, but we've removed it already, but that's a dual belt clip, so you can slip it on one way or the other. In the instructions, it tells us to unscrew this part here. Again, a nice oiled thread on that machined casing, really like that. And then we're just going to pull that tab out. In fact, this is what's slightly different as well. This is an 18650 lithium-ion battery, rechargeable, 3,500 milliamp hours at 3.6 volts. So slightly bigger than the last battery. Screw that back on. There we go. Super. That's a lot whiter light, I feel, than the last one. So I remember what happened last time. Yeah, so okay, really blinded myself. So looking at the Perun light, the new one, the lens on it is just dead clear. Whereas on the H2R Nova, you've actually got a textured lens in there, much like a car headlight. But again, really nice machined case. Got the magnetic charger, which we love. That, when you plug this in, that's red. And then when it's fully charged, the little LED on this clear part here, that goes green. So really nice feature on that. Again, you've got different modes. And I'm not even looking in that directly, and it's already making yellow marks in my eyes. So throw is 120 meters, maximum 2,000 lumens on this torch. In terms of the weight, it's a little bit heavier than the last one, the H2R Nova, but the reason this is sold as a multi-purpose light is because you can get the headband. And I'll open that now. We've just gone and had a little play with these, and we've tested the brightness levels between the H2R Nova and the new Perun. Now, on paper, that is a 2,300 lumen torch. This is a 2,000 lumen torch. So that one is brighter. We haven't shown you that footage because it's very difficult to give you a decent test. What I can show you though is the big selling point on this, which is the dim down feature. If I take the H2R Nova, turn it on, this is in its brightest setting, and I put it to my hand there, not only is it not dimming down, but it's actually starting to get really warm. Very warm in fact, so I'm going to turn it off. Now with the Perun, which is the new one, if I turn it on, that's on its brightest setting. when I bring it to my hand, you'll notice something different. It actually dims down a little bit. Now, we were trying to think what we might need to use that for. Now, if you're in a situation, let's say underneath a van, because that's what we do, we build vans, then as you're getting under the van, it's bright under there, you don't want the glare getting straight back in your eyes. That might be a decent option for it, but you have seen there that you have to actually get quite close to something before it actually dims down. Now, Gary pointed out that what it could be good for is if you were to leave that on in your pocket or your bag, the dim down feature will actually reduce the temperature of the torch if it was left on. This one, as we showed you before, that was getting quite warm quite quick, whereas the dim down one reduced the temperature straight away. So that's the unique selling point of this torch, is its dim down feature. We really like it as a torch. Again, different battery capacity, so the battery life is a little longer also, and we'll leave it up to you. And now we've been using these, well, this one, the H2R Nova, in the workshop every day pretty much, and I'm very happy to wear it all down my head. It does get a little heavy, but it's still very comfortable. This torch does feel a little heavier, so that might restrict you a bit more, but the fact it's got the intelligent sensor in the front which will actually dim the light, it's going to work out really, really nicely if we're moving, say, from under the van or under the camper to the top of the camper. And yeah, it's going to work out really nice for us. Now, the reason we have been given this today is because Olight are offering you a Christmas sale. It starts on December the 12th and it ends on December the 14th. So midnight, December the 12th, which is today, and it ends on December the 14th. Now, retail, this whole combination is £100, $99.99 retail. Now, that is a lot of money for a torch, but you can take it from us that is worth it, because the battery stays charged for pretty much a whole day's working. It's comfortable, and the actual light itself works really, really well. Now, so it's a 40% deal. 40% off you will get if you click on the link below. Yeah, we've been given the torch by Olight to tell you about it, and yes, there is a deal if you click on the link below. It's an affiliate link, so you will really help us out as a channel if you buy it from us today. And who knows, you might have a loved one, a friend who actually is in really need of a head torch, maybe for walking the dog or just working on their camper van. And I would recommend this one right here. It's the new Olight Perun. Thank you very much.